Good afternoon, SMF MMTs. This was a wonderful stock that we assigned earlier, and we're net long right now because it's starting to get made 23 cents wide. So when they buy that side of the print, this is where they try to get bid pops. And here's the bid over here. So what do you do in a case like this? Well, you can always scale in during the bottom phase. And what would you do? You'd put a bid out here in case they walk away. They're starting to line this side of the market between the public print. 73s jumped in on a prop. 79s, they tightened that thing. They're trying to get that thing rolling from Mr. Man Talk. Right, Mr. Man Talk? So we know he has an entry. And he has an entry based on that breakout. Right here. And Mr. Doug, there isn't no reason. What I really want to point out, the 155 call. Look at the bid. 1030, look at the ask. 1290 on the calls. They close at $1.30. The low was $3.10 at $12.90. That's what we're looking for. But look at how big that is. 1030, 1130, 1230. That's $2.60 between the buyer and the seller and the call. And they're supposed to be providing an orderly market. Nonetheless, Mr. Man Talk, we're getting that bottom. That was a great short from 169 down to this entry at 161.40. And it's just bounced $2 off of that low. And it's not out of the question to see this thing trombone right back up to its highs. I was gone earlier, but it made that long reversal as it should. You can take a look here at CRR. Oh, my goodness sakes. Oh, my goodness sakes. Move your stop up there and you're long. Look at that short right up here at the top. This is what MMT Rachel did. Get that bar, get that short bar. Look at it come all the way down. And then it didn't make the bottom until we got right here. And it's at a 369 breakout off a shallow, narrow price ascending that led up to this current 163.15 as that half bar. But we're going to watch and see if we can take out this half bar over here at 164.58 to the upside. Right now, Mr. Man Talk, we're trying to break out. And there we are at 163.09. There was the low down here, 161.40. So that's about a $2 pop.
Moving my stop up again.
Okay, move the stop up. Where'd you put it at? What price level?
62.73.
All right, so you got it at 62.73. Let's take a look at half bar. Half bar, 62.73. Well, that's good. Half bar right here, 63.15, and we're slightly below. It's 08 by 31 pennies, 23 pennies between the public buyer and seller. The market maker spread is 25 pennies. If they're buying now, we got to get above 75 here. This here has got to go toward 565 there, and we'll break out nicely. Keep that stop moved up. They're trying to make a market. Remember that this has got a wide bid and ask, 23 cents by 46 cents. So some people throw off or they buy that side of the market, which fuels it up. Once again, I am very happy with the new MMT edition on CRR, what's coming up off of the bottom. But look at that short today. Look at the short side of the tape there. 169 down to 161.40. What a gift of a new edition and a short sell. Mr. Man Talk, where's your stop market at?
We're setting at 92 pennies.
Oh, you moved it up to 92 pennies as it's breaking higher?
As you spoke.
Oh,
yes.
Good. Because
Moving
right
again.
now, well, you're not quite above 75. Yeah, move it on up. So why don't you put it at 10 pennies now? Just because a bid and ask can be, you know, a teeny is 31 pennies, okay? Right. And moving it up to 61.10 is going to protect all your profits just in case somebody slides and sells the bid. 26 cents wide. Yeah, it's okay. You're protecting them profits there, Mr. Man Talk. Don't you enjoy doing that?
It's fun. It's a joy.
It is a joy. Protecting one's entry and moving that stop market up order gives you a full delight. We're live with CRR. Mr. Man Talk has moved his stop market up to 10 cents. So he started at 73 to 92. Now he's moved the stop market up to 63.10 pennies. Just in case somebody slides the bid, he's going to get his profits no matter what. 14 by 44, 24, 30-cent spread. Well, he's going to protect it in case someone slides the spread. He's got that stop market at 10 pennies. Boy, what a nice job that is. You got a small distribution. I've got nothing but good to say about this one here, because this is what it's about. It's all about this right here.
Hooah! Oh, yeah.
And that's what it's about. Keeping that stop. You know, if they buy that side, what a great mover. CRR. CRR. There it is. CRR.
If the IR can just move, we'll just crank it right on up. Come on.
That's exactly right. If it wants to break higher, if it breaks up toward 90 cents, you move your stop up to 50 cents.
Right.
Uh-oh, someone slid that bid. You may have been triggered. Nope, 16 pennies is the last print. They got to give you the best price, though. Somebody, 20s are going off in here. 9 by 25. You may get stopped right in there with all your profits from that bottom trade.
Yeah.
16, 9, you're out. 9 pennies, they got to give you the best price. 9 pennies. You took the stop. Look at that reversal. Look at that reversal. Look at the power, Mr. Doug, about that live stop market that Mr. Man talked. Doesn't that feel good to do that? You just came out at 63.10. Now it's 65 by 90. Doesn't that just make you feel good?
I'm doing the moonwalk, Mario.
Well, that you sold right at the top, sir. Good job.